show you how we're going to take this shower. I'm going to go from this to this.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D here, back at you. So today I got another how much did this project cost and how long did it take type of video for you. So today I'm going to share with you what it took for us to do this curbless shower, and just so you know, we just did the prep work here, the concrete waterproofing shower build. We did not do the tile work. So if you just want to know how much, you could just skip right to the end. They'll show it there, but I'm going to show you right now if you want to know the details what it took for this job. So we had to come in here, make this curbless shower on a concrete slab, which is the most difficult way you can do a curbless shower on a concrete slab. So plumber moved this pipe, everything. We had a jackhammer out that one section on the left side and the right side, cut out as much as we need to in order to recess that area to get the proper slope to the 6-foot Sluter line drain. Really nice feature there. So we had to cut all that out, really dusty, dirty thing, but that's what's got to be done to do it right. We had to cut all that out. Once we got that out, we had to pour the concrete in that section that the plumber had to cut out the concrete. We poured that. Once we got done with that, then we would start ready to start prepping these areas. We hung all the board floor, we hung all the board on all the walls, the ceiling on this job as well. Basically mudded the base. We couldn't use foam on this one. Mud was the best option. A lot of times it's a good option. It can work in any situation, but for here it worked great. So we mudded to the drain, then we came back in, put curry in everything, waterproof everything top to bottom. Then we took it a step further by using liquid Hydroban all the seams and even on the floor there to make sure everything was right. And one thing we did as well is we made sure the whole floor is waterproof outside the shower at least 3 feet. One little thing we did actually, which is a good idea, is we stopped the Dietra about 1 to 1.5 feet short of the where the slope starts for the shower. And once that Dietra was dry, we use a rapid setting patch material to screed from the Dietra to where the slope starts in the shower. So any water that does come outside that area will have a pitch of anywhere from 1/8 to 3/16 approximately to have the water drain back into this shower, that anywhere that does splash out will have a way to get back in and won't be just running away from the shower. And by using a Dietra as well, that area will be all waterproof. So we just cover all the seams and areas with the banding to make sure the perimeter is waterproof, any seams on the Dietra. So everything is completely watertight and everyone will have a nice long lasting installation here. So now the meat and potatoes of this project. So you want to know what it took and what kind of investment the client made in. So I'm going to give you how many hours I actually did. I did this job solo completely by myself. I have 51.75 hours into the job, and that was about 6-7 days worth of work for myself. And as far as what the client made for investment, basically we supplied everything we see here, from the concrete to all the shower waterproofing materials, the drain, pretty much everything, the self-leveler for the floor, everything top to bottom. The client had an investment of a total of $7,500. So I hope this gives you an idea about what a job like this can take, as far as like a business like myself here, owner operated, what kind of time you can look at least in the area that I'm in, what kind of investment you could look in to just do the prep work. Now as far as the tile work, we'll have a different conversation with that, but just to do what we did here, waterproof everything, it's a lot of time into this thing, and it shows you what it really takes and what kind of investment you're looking in to do a project like this. So I hope this video helped for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Donnie D signing off.